Hi there, today we are going to be focusing on creating mental images. So what does that mean, create mental images? We've gone over this before, so I'm going to give you a moment to think back. Okay, if you need more time, just pause the video, but when you create mental images, you make pictures in your mind to help you remember what you read. So for example, here is this little girl reading a story, and she's imagining, so she's creating a little mental image in her mind of what's happening in the book. So some words that she read in the book: soccer game, sunny, ball. Well, here's a soccer game, so she's pretending she's playing soccer, and it's sunny, and so she's imagining what it may sound like, what it may smell like, taste, what she might see. Okay, so she's creating a mental image as she reads a story. Sometimes when you read stories, you imagine what it would be like if you were there. So let's go ahead and look at a picture and talk about what I would like for you to do is use this picture of this family having a picnic at a maybe at a park by a lake to help yourself create a mental image of what it'd be like if you were having a picnic outside by a lake. So I'm going to give you some time to help. I'm going to give you some time so you can create a mental image in your mind. Okay, if you need more time, just pause the video, but you should have created a mental image of what it'd be like having a picnic outside. Now, if you've never had a picnic, that's okay. Let's talk about what we see, okay? So, we see a family, right? And they're having lunch outside. They're smiling, they're by a lake. So, if I was reading a book and I saw this picture in a book, I would think back to the last time I had a picnic. I believe it was last year, just sitting outside, had a blanket on the ground, was eating a sandwich, and it was a sunny day. So that's what I would do if I was reading a book and I saw this. I would take a moment, concentrate, and think back to what it's like to have a picnic. So whenever you're reading a story, remember, when you create mental images, you make pictures in your mind to help you remember what you read. So when you read a story, go ahead and, if you need to, take a moment, close your eyes, concentrate on what you're reading, and see if you can't create a mental image of what it'd be like if you were there, okay? All right, I hope you like this little review over creating mental images as you read.